Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working here on a Ford Edge, guys, and if your AC does not work, your air conditioning doesn't work, guys, the AC compressor is not activating, the clutch is not engaging, stay with us and we'll explain, guys, which fuse you need to check for the AC clutch compressor. Now we have one fuse and you have one diode, guys, and if any of those is bad, okay, your AC will not work. Also you have a relay and we have a video on that as well. It's called AC clutch relay location replacement on Ford Edge. Check it out, guys. Quick introduction: every single car we get at the shop, including this generation Ford Edge, will be making at least 200 videos, guys. Why? Because our mission here at the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video. Hopefully you will find the information helpful, guys, and you will be able to fix the problem on your own. If you need to buy any replacement fuses, relay, car parts and tools, and you want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below. So I will go ahead, open the hood, guys, and I will show you, okay, where we will be working now and what to expect. So let me just have the fuses here, everything ready so I can show you guys. Now this is a 2009 Ford Edge, but it should work for the whole Ford generation. I don't think it changed during the first few years, guys, because I checked the fuses and it looks everything the same. So once you guys open, okay, once you open the hood, that's the fuse box we're looking at. Now inside, okay, if you guys push the button for AC, light comes on, let's say you have it on cold but it doesn't blow and the compressor is not engaging. We have a video that explains what are the reasons for that, but always, guys, check the fuse and the relays first, and that's what we'll be covering now. This fuse box right here, all we have to do, press in here, pull up, okay, remove it, and now right here, guys, okay, on the back side of the fuse box you can see the fuse numbers printed. Unfortunately you cannot see what they are for, but you can see the numbers printed, and that layout corresponds to what we have right here, guys. So that way, okay, you can tell where we're going to find the fuse. The first fuse that we're looking at, guys, it's fuse number 35. Okay, fuse number 35, it's this thing right here. So looking at it, guys, okay, we need to locate relay 37. Okay, let me show you now. Right here it will be, guys, okay, this fuse, okay, over there. That's the fuse, guys, okay, for the AC clutch. Now if you need to buy replacement fuses, check out the link in the description of the video below. You can get the whole box, guys, for a super good price, and it comes with a free fuse puller as well. Just grab the fuse and pull it out, guys. Okay, and if you need to replace it, just grab a new one. Usually when you check the element, you can tell if it's blown or not. This is the fuse, guys. What about the diode? If, guys, the diode is burnt, okay, it will not work again. And what we're looking at now, it's number 56, guys. So it will be this thing, okay, right here, number 56. You can see where it's located. Okay, this is the one. Now we have a video on the channel, guys, that explains about the diodes. All you have to do, okay, just pry it a little bit that way, okay, and pull it out. I'm going to show you. Let me explain now. And if you need to buy one, we have the link in the description of the video below. So what I do, I grab it, pull that thing over and pull it out. And this is, guys, the diode as well. Don't forget to install it later, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you guys trying to do that. Don't forget to put your cover so you don't get dust and moisture inside. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and see you guys next time.